What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today we're at it again with another video. So if you've been following the channel, you know that this is a series here about the Google Pixel 4 XL. So part of the improvements on this channel is to really center in on devices. So what I have going on here is I have a whole playlist about the Google Pixel 4 XL. So what we're going to do is we're really going to zero in on this device, and that's going to help me grow. It's going to help me learn, and basically I get to share my results with everyone who's watching, and also you'll probably help me learn something new too. Now this is a new approach that I'm taking. I really want to be more in depth with each device that I'm working with. Now if you're new to the channel, you can see that it's called Pixels Cracked, and that's because we work with Pixel devices. So we've got the Pixel phones, we got the Pixelbook, we got the Pixelbook Go, but we're not only looking at that stuff, we're looking at all of the Google hardware. So then you've got other things like Nest products and other devices and accessories that can relate to all of this. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, again, we have a Pixel 4 XL playlist. And I'm going to put that in the video here so you can see that. You can click on that because we did a few videos already. So one of the things that we did, we went ahead and unboxed the Google Pixel 4 XL. That's what I have sitting here. And then we went ahead and applied a case. We've got the OtterBox Defender Series rugged case here. So we went over all that. We went into really good detail just to educate everyone here. And now the next step is to finally go ahead and install a screen protector. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. We're gonna go ahead and talk about what comes in this screen protector kit. And then we're gonna have some fun watching me torture myself because I have a dog that sheds like crazy, and applying screen protectors is near impossible in my environment. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So what I have here is the LK Glass Screen Protector Kit, and I went ahead and I purchased this off of Amazon. I'm going to put a link of this in the description below so you can go ahead and find that. Now I've had some good results with this Screen Protector Kit on the Pixel 3 XL, but the problem I had was that when using the OtterBox Defender Series rugged case on the Pixel 3 XL, I couldn't get a screen protector to fit. So this video, we're going to find out if we can get a screen protector to fit on the Pixel 4 XL with the OtterBox Defender Series rugged case. So let's go over some of the details here. We've got the natural touch, the anti-fingerprint, the hydrophobic coating, and the super hardness and no scratches. We actually get to pull out the scalpel. Anytime we get to do that, that is always a little fun there. So now that we cut this, we can go ahead and open this. Now we're gonna flip some of this stuff around here. It looks like you can get an extra free gift. Next we have some guide stickers and some cleaning supplies. That always comes in handy. Now moving on here, we have this little portion here, plastic portion. It actually looks like a case, but this is actually a guide to install the screen protector. And then with this kit, you do get a few screen protectors. You get some extras. So here we have 3. Now what we're working with here is tempered glass, and again, this is for the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now if we go back to the packaging, you can also see here that there is a link for an installation video. Very helpful if you're someone new to installing screen protectors, but I find this stuff pretty straightforward. My only issue, again, is that I have a dog that sheds like crazy, and hair always gets under the screen protector. So as I was talking about, when installing screen protectors in the past on the Google Pixel 3 XL with the OtterBox Defender Series rugged case, I had issues. I couldn't get a screen protector that was smaller to actually fit the screen. We have the screen protector right there, kind of hard to see. If we drop that right in on the screen there, you can see it's smaller and it actually will fit. We won't have any issues. I'm very excited about this. So I wanted to go ahead and actually open up the cleaning supplies. So we've got some wipes here to clean the screen. The green will be the wet wipes and the pink will be the dry wipes. Then we've got the guide stickers, and that's probably just to help guide the screen protector onto the Google Pixel 4 XL. Then we've got this cleaning cloth here, and then we also have a squeegee. So you can see I've got quite a few fingerprints on this, and I'm gonna open up one of the wet wipes here, and we're going to try to clean this off. So yes, this is going to be pretty wet, so you're gonna wanna make sure you turn your device off Now you could arguably do this with the case off, but I'm gonna leave the case on only because I think it acts as a really nice guide, and that way I don't have to use this guide here. You can if you like, but I don't see the point. So next we just have to peel off this sticker here, and then we can apply this. So we're gonna go just like this. And it's important to remember which side is the adhesive side, or you're gonna put the screen protector on wrong. Now also this part here, this wavy part, that's not the screen protector. And I only say that because I've done that before when it wasn't obvious. So now we can go ahead and put this on the screen. The thing to remember too is don't touch this side here. You don't want to get any fingerprints on there, any oils, anything like that. And then we can just set this here. Now if you have enough moisture, you can still move the screen protector around before it dries on. So now that we got that on there, we can just use the squeegee here. And I'm gonna actually squeegee that way up because that way it can come out somewhere, whereas if I squeegee down, there's nothing or no place for this to come out. Now if you look at the squeegee here, it's a little too wide actually, so we actually got to go something like this. So I know this looks kind of bad, but I'm going to leave this how it is for now, and hopefully it'll dry up and some of the moisture will go away and everything will look good. Okay, so I went ahead and I squeegeed this again, and you can see that it's actually starting to clear up here pretty good. I'll probably try again in another few minutes just to see how everything turns out. And I think this is going to look really good, but yeah, this just takes a little bit of time and patience. Okay, so I want to go ahead and actually share my results here with this screen protector, and it's actually really nice. This came out really good. I just have some lint collected on the screen here, but the screen itself is clear. It took a little bit of time. This is honestly the best job I've ever done. I'm very proud of the results that I have here. This looks very, very good. So there we go. We've got another video up and we're ready for the next one. But let's go over what we did already. So obviously we unboxed the Google Pixel 4 XL. We went ahead and we installed that OtterBox Defender series case. And then we went ahead and put on the LK screen protector. That went really well tonight. So I'm very excited now because we actually get to do the nice stuff. We actually get to boot this device up and go over what it's like to set it up. So hang in there, stay tuned. We're gonna get this next video up and going. It's gonna be exciting, and I can't wait. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure you leave a like. Now by liking the video, you're kind of rating the channel, and other people who are coming here are going to see all those likes, and they're going to think, you know, this video might have some good information. A lot of people have already liked it. So we're gonna go ahead and watch it. Now, if you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, of course, I don't know all the answers and it can be hard to answer some questions too. So hopefully we have some people in the comment section. They're always very good. They normally help out and I love to see that, appreciate that. That always goes a long way too. Now there are two ways you can support this channel, and that just helps me make videos. There's no fee to pay or anything like that. All you have to do is share this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And then the other way you can support the channel is just by hitting that subscribe button. So that's pretty much it, and until next time, Leon checking out.